So let me show you how to make this little felt ball. We use this on our gonk cushion, on our little gonk toy, and on a number of other projects at Wool Couture. So here we go. If you take the roving and just take a few fibres like so, and then you can just pop that into the water that's got a couple of drops of washing up liquid in it. So once you've got it like this, then just pop that in your hand and you start just rolling into a ball. It'll feel a bit slimy to start with, and you just keep going. I'll see you back here in a minute. So you just keep rolling in the centre of your hand like this and just keep checking it. It'll start to look like a little ball like this, and you just keep going. There we go. So if we want to add more, if we want to make this ball bigger, all we simply do is take some more fibre and pop your little ball in the centre like that, and just go and dip it in the water again. Squeeze it out, we don't need all that excess, and keep rolling. And I'll see you back in a minute. And there you go, that's the ball a little bit bigger, and if you wanted to make it even bigger, you can just keep going and just keep adding more fibres to it. So you can see that I've got a few here. You can have tiny ones, you can have in between ones, you can have larger ones. Just keep adding the roving until you're comfortable with the size of ball that you've achieved. And once you've done that, pop it aside and just let it dry. There'll still be quite a lot of water left in the ball when you've finished, so just leave it overnight. And then when it comes to attaching the ball to, say, the gonk cushion, so this is the gonk's nose, all you do is just take your needle and you can pop the needle through it. If you're struggling, just give it a little twist like so, and it will go through and come out the other side. So you can take the yarn through like so, and then with the two ends I would then just attach that to the front of the gonk cushion or the front of the gonk toy, and that's it. That's how you complete your felt ball.